Today, we will reveal the 6 worst foods for arthritis. We'll also explain the real cause of joint pain and inflammation and share the best solution to manage it. Arthritis is a common condition that causes joint inflammation, swelling, stiffness, and reduced movement. There are over 100 types of arthritis, but 2 main types are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis, the most common type, happens when cartilage wears down over time due to use or injury. On the other hand, rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that leads to joint inflammation and can affect other organs. Other forms include psoriatic arthritis, which affects people with psoriasis, a skin condition with red patches and scales. Gout is another painful condition caused by the buildup of uric acid in joints, especially the big toe. Fibromyalgia is a chronic disorder known for muscle pain, fatigue, and tenderness around the joints. All these types of arthritis have one thing in common. Inflammation is a major factor in their development. Now let's look at the first food that worsens joint pain and then dive into the real root cause of inflammation in arthritis. At number 1, we have oils and trans fats. Vegetable oils, also called refined seed oils. These are a top cause of inflammation and arthritis pain. Oils like corn, sunflower, safflower, and soybean are common in many homes and restaurants. These oils are hard to avoid since they're also found in packaged and processed foods like potato chips, hot dogs, white bread, fried chicken, and French fries. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which oxidize when exposed to heat and light. Oxidation damages the oil, making it rancid. These rancid oils can inflame your gut, joints, and blood vessels, worsening chronic pain. Even worse are artificial trans fats, found in products like margarine, baked goods, and fried foods. To reduce inflammation, replace vegetable oils with healthier fats like avocado oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and extra virgin olive oil. Before we continue with the next harmful food for arthritis, let's look at the real root cause of joint pain. While inflammation is often blamed, the real cause is too much fibrin around the joints, which leads to inflammation and pain. What is fibrin? It's a protein involved in wound healing. When you're injured, white blood cells fight infection, causing swelling. Fibrin forms a mesh to seal the injury, helping the healing process. Normally, fibrin breaks down after healing, but in arthritis, fibrin builds up in blood vessels and tissues around the joints. This buildup forms scar tissue, slowing blood flow and oxygen to the joints, leading to stiffness and pain. This is why pain medication becomes less effective over time. It doesn't address the root problem. Excess fibrin not only affects joints, but also the whole circulatory system, making it harder for blood to deliver oxygen. This increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Before we reveal how to reduce fibrin, now let's look at other harmful foods that contribute to fibrin buildup and inflammation. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Number 2, soda and sugar. Now let's talk about soda and sugar, which can worsen arthritis, especially osteoarthritis. Soda, loaded with refined sugar, causes blood sugar spikes, leading to more inflammation. Sodas and sweet drinks that contain high fructose corn syrup add a lot of empty calories, leading to weight gain, which also worsens arthritis. To fight inflammation, try replacing sugary drinks with unsweetened tea or water. Number 3, refined carbohydrates. Next on the list are refined carbs. Have you ever noticed your joints aching more after eating pizza, bagels, cookies, donuts, or pasta? That's because refined carbs quickly turn into sugar in the body, spiking insulin levels and increasing inflammation, just like soda does. To avoid this, switch to whole grains like whole wheat bread or sweet potatoes. You might also want to avoid gluten since it can trigger inflammation for some people. Number 4, gluten. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, eating gluten can cause an immune reaction that leads to joint pain. One study found that 41% of people with rheumatoid arthritis saw improvement after going gluten-free. If you think gluten might be affecting you, try cutting it out for 2 weeks and see if your symptoms improve. Gluten is found in wheat, barley, and rye. Pay attention to how your body reacts to learn if gluten worsens your joint pain. Number 5. Char-broiled and blackened foods. If you have arthritis, avoid cooking methods like broiling, frying, and grilling at high temperatures. These methods create compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that increase inflammation and worsen joint pain. Avoid grilled meats and fried potatoes to reduce the intake of these compounds. And finally, at number 6, nightshade vegetables. People with arthritis, gout, or other joint problems might benefit from cutting out vegetables like tomatoes, eggplants, potatoes, and peppers. These veggies contain alkaloids, which can lead to calcium buildup in joints, causing more inflammation and pain. Now let's look at how to tackle the root cause of arthritis, proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes, also called proteases, break down excess fibrin in your body, reducing scar tissue, improving blood flow, and helping reduce pain and inflammation. Though your body makes these enzymes, production drops after age 27, so it's important to get them from food or supplements. Two great sources of proteolytic enzymes are pineapples and papayas. Pineapple contains bromelain and papaya contains papain, both of which help reduce joint pain and swelling. You can find a pineapple joint elixir recipe in the link below. Other foods rich in these enzymes include kiwi, figs, ginger, asparagus, and fermented foods like sauerkraut, yogurt, and miso. Besides fighting inflammation, proteolytic enzymes also help with muscle soreness, wound healing, blood pressure regulation, and boosting the immune system. In conclusion, if you want to ease arthritis pain, adding pineapple and papaya to your diet could help. However, relying only on food might not be enough to raise your enzyme levels, so consider supplements. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care and goodbye. And remember, healthy life, happy you.